Diyan na bakante guys. Ito yung ako.
And then if you want to rent the, cottage like this, just like this, I don't know, there's a price. I'm not sure how much. Magkano yung cottage dito, me?
500 yung parang itlog.
Ah, okay. You need to pay 500 per cottage. There's there's a lot of Korean person. They come here in Malumpati. Like he came from Korea. And Malumpati Spring is a safe place to relax, even that you're a foreigner here in Philippines. You're safe, yes. Ito guys, this is a Malumpati Spring. One of the popular tourist spot here in Pandan. Diba guys, kapag Kandari ka, sikat ka sa Pandan. Why? Kasi may lupa kami dito. Lupain to ng mga Kandari. I'm proud being Kandari. I came from Kandari family. Yes. My mom is Kandari. Her name is Israelia Kandari and Antaran. Bakit hindi ko dadalhin ang apelyido ng tatay ko? Ayun yung land namin. I'm sorry. Doon, over there. Yeah, over there. And, that ruby? They're just using that one. That's our family's business. The guide the tourists to use exhibitions here, over there. They are in the middle. From there, going there. Ayun guys, yung business ng pamilya namin. Ayan. Tapos may magtutor sa inyo, magtutor guide. Mag-exhibition sila dyan sa gitna. Mula doon sa ulo. Ayun kasi, yun ay ulo ng Malumpati kung saan ang lupain ng pamilya namin. Kaso lang guys, lately na hold ng government kasi they didn't pay tax in how many years. Tapos ang iba dyan ay nabenta na nila. Pero ang lupa na ito ay belong sa Kandari, mga Kandari family. Diba astig na? Astig. Diba ang ganda dito? Why I love Philippines, I love Pandan. Because we have a relaxing life here. Simple but it's a luxuous kind of life. Sana all. For me, it's luxuous life because if you have a peace of mind in life, it's a luxuous life already. Yes. Nag-swimming na sila guys, oh. Ayun, nag-swimming na sila kahit malamig. Ako ay itatry ko muna ako magsiswimming ako or hindi. Basta ang importante ay naka-swimsuit na ako, ready to swim. Yes. Ayun. Ganda. Yun lang ay guys, bye. Oh, ayun na. Ayun isa, oh. Nagtampisaw na siya. Ay, nag-live ka, sorry. Sorry to distract you. Yun, bye!